Hachiko waited at a train station for his deceased owner every day for 9 years, the ultimate symbol of loyalty and love. Britannia the Golden Retriever served as a search and rescue dog at 9/11 and worked heroically until age 16. A true lifetime hero. Which hero dog inspired you most? Comment below and subscribe to honor these incredible heroes.